Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect ManyChat to your Facebook page. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and focused so you can connect your Facebook page to ManyChat smoothly. Before you begin, make sure you're already logged into your ManyChat account and that you have the correct permissions for the Facebook page you want to connect. If you don't have admin access to that page, the connection may not go through properly. To get started, open ManyChat and make sure you're on the Home tab. This is the main dashboard area, and it's a good starting point because it gives you access to all of your workspace navigation in one place. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. Interface layouts can change a little over time, but the general process remains the same. Once you're on the Home tab, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Settings. This is where ManyChat stores the key options for your account, including channel connections and messaging preferences. Opening Settings is the next step toward linking your Facebook page correctly. After that, inside the Settings area, click on Messenger. This section is specifically for Facebook Messenger-related setup, so this is where you'll find the option to connect your page. If you manage more than one communication channel in ManyChat, make sure you're selecting Messenger and not a different channel by mistake. When you're in the Messenger section, click Connect. At this point, ManyChat will guide you through the on-screen procedure. Follow each prompt carefully. You may be asked to sign into Facebook, confirm permissions, or choose the Facebook page you want to link. Read each screen before continuing so you can approve the correct access. This is important because ManyChat needs permission to communicate with your page and manage Messenger features on your behalf. As you move through the connection flow, be careful not to skip any authorization screens. If Facebook asks you to review access settings, it's usually best to allow the permissions required for the integration to function fully. Limiting access too much can prevent the connection from working as expected. Once the on-screen process is complete, your Facebook page should be connected to ManyChat. If it doesn't connect right away, refresh the page and check the Messenger section again to confirm the status. That's it. You've now gone through the process of connecting ManyChat to your Facebook page.